We're in Long Beach this weekend for Formula Drift. We just got to our Airbnb. Let's go check it out. Alright, so for Formula Drift, we made a few new shirts. Let me get into this and show you guys the details. For the first shirt, if you guys didn't know, one of our fellow riders passed away. So we made a t-shirt in memory of him. His name was Nara. So we made, if you guys have been to Japan, in Nara, the city of Nara, they have the deer that you can see and the cherry blossoms and this temple there. So it says riders never die, and all of the proceeds that we sell from this t-shirt will be going to his family. So we made this in black, navy, and white. And this is the Nara city crest in Japan. So for the next shirt, we made this one with MK Lighter. It's a collab tee. We're sharing a booth with them also at FD. Has the K-Man and the new MK Man. So this is the front. And for the last one, we made a collab shirt with It's Wednesday. And it has Marlins GS on this and a quote from Mob Deep. So this one comes in white and black. This is green. And then this is the double chest hit. So these are all dropping at FD, but they will be online once we get back.